Mennonite spicy sausages. They're delicious. I encourage you to buy them. 1 clove of garlic, some buffalo mozzarella, and some tomato paste. A couple of small tomatoes, oregano, pepper, some salt, and some rye sourdough. This is me realizing that I bought walnut sourdough instead of regular sourdough, although it will suffice. I'm going to make the sauce right now by blending it all together, adding the spices like pepper, oregano, and dry basil. One tomato is more than sufficient. It also helps to add a little bit of water. I pre-chopped the garlic. It just makes it easier to blend in the blender. That's really the makeup of the sauce. Super easy. We're going to dissect that sausage and cook it on a pan with a little bit of oil, make it into small little morsels. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. Try to use all that sauce. I like it saucy. Getting to the edges is key. And gotta get some of that buffalo mozzarella. Love this stuff. Two to 3 slices of buffalo mozzarella is more than sufficient for each portion of this sourdough pizza. Now that the sausage is done, put that on top. And that's going to go into a 450 degree oven for 5 minutes. You just want the cheese to melt. And there you go. But we're going to dress it up a little bit with some chili flakes, olive oil. Honestly, this is one of my favorite snacks. Definitely beats a pizza pocket, especially if you're trying to not be obese. It's basically an enhanced pizza pocket. Gotta get comfortable, and always make sure to give your dog some treats.